Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, congratulations, my brother, to the price with pumps up, and all holder ask me to win, and win Cardano price will pumps up. So, today, my friends, I have a good news because as you can see here, this is live price prediction video, my friend. You can see here live chart is on the screen, and definitely all update is on the screen, my friend. You can see here to the chain occur plus 0.99%. That's mean today our 1% price will increase now, and definitely at the midnight, my friend, I will give you guarantee today will easily hit now 5% profit, my brother. So this is possible to upcoming time, my friends. Cardano will pumps up and moving upwards. So kindly, my brother, absolutely you will need to watch this price prediction to really they will pumps up or not, my brother. So I will give you a proof now, but please, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, the price will be increasing after a dump. Definitely you can see here as this dump, so definitely they will pumps up. So therefore, my friend, and last previous days all currencies were very badly falls down, but today, my friends, absolutely all coin were starting moving upwards. So definitely Cardano is also one of them, my friend. And the CEO of Cardano, my friend, also say this, my friends, to upcoming time we will go to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, my friend, if a companies all collaborate with this now, so this is possible, my friends. So they will easily hit now again $3 to $4, but this is a very cheap price, my friend. You can see here this time today $2.29. I hope, my friends, today will easily one day hit now $4 to $5. Just only in a few months, my friends, 1 to 2 months they will take now, and after that, my friend, it's so absolutely, my friend, this is the biggest transformation of this coin, my friend. But absolutely from from 1.5 to you can see here $2.29. Definitely this is the very biggest transformation, my brother. All coins were fails down in this time, but absolutely, my friend, after a dumps every coin will pumps up. So therefore Cardano is pumps up now. Congratulations, holders. And definitely, my friends, my opinion is for all of you to please hold it now. If you just only hold for 5 to 6 days, my friends, so I will give you guarantee to at the end of this month, they will give you a very good profit. Now why you miss this chance? Take a risk and 100% get a profit. So hope you understand my all views, my subscriber. And remember, this is not a financial video, just advice for all of you. So hope you understand. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.